Are you a life coach looking to make more money? Well, then this video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're going to specifically go over why 95% of life coaches fail when becoming a life coach, and why those 95% never make their first $100,000 as a life coach, and how you can specifically prevent that from happening in your life coaching business. We're going to be going over exactly the number one reason why this happens. We're going to be going over later and after that exactly how you can avoid it. And then last and certainly not least, we are going to give you an exercise that you can do right after watching this video that is going to help you speed up finding your next client as a life coach. Without any further ado, let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, why did you become a life coach to begin with? And this is a very important question to ask, and this is why I want to open this video with that specific question, because we always need to remember that we're rooted into becoming a life coach usually because we want to make an impact in the world. But through being able to make an impact in the world, we specifically want to be able to benefit off that impact through the abundance that we're going to gain on the other side of that, which is going to give us what all of us are after as entrepreneurs to begin with, which is freedom. So when we're looking at why did we become a life coach, and we're looking at who we want to help, this is always going to be broken down into three core markets. And these three core markets are going to be defined as health, wealth, and relationships. And when we're looking at identifying a specific niche, for our life coaching business, we want to make sure that we, know exactly who we're looking to serve and which main market we are looking to serve, and then ultimately go and pick our perfect profitable niche so we can go out there and specifically make an impact really early and gain and get on a faster track to gaining that freedom through making our first or our next 100K as a life coach really quickly. All right, so we just went over why exactly you became a life coach, and you kind of went over some of the top end, level stuff of looking at exactly who it is that you're wanting to help as a life coach, and how, and what you are going to do to serve them, a little bit of, health, wealth, and relationships there. Let's now go into, the number one mistakes that most life coaches make, and which really leads them, to certain failure in their businesses. And that number one mistake is not knowing exactly who it is that they are wanting to go out there and help. And it really even goes deeper than not picking their perfect niche. It's a little bit of a combination of not having the exact niche, not knowing exactly who it is that you're looking to serve, as well as, what is the solution, the one solution, not 13, but the one solution that you're going to provide them, that is going to help them reach their goal, but then also understanding the specific person and who we are talking to through their messaging. Now, in Life Coach Launch, in our system Life Coach Launch, this falls into the first step of our universal selling system here at Life Coach Launch, in the Life Coach Launch system that we classify as identification. And we're going to be talking a little bit more about identification later on in this video. But I really want to make sure that we understand, and I want you to ask yourself, do you know who it is that you're wanting to serve? Do you know exactly what they're thinking when they're laying in bed at night? Do you know what they look like? Do you know what they're doing in the morning, what they do right before bed? Do you know what TV shows they watch, what books they're reading? How well do you know who it is that you're looking to go out there and help every day? And how well are you doing at attracting those people through your messaging and through your marketing that you're putting out there every single day? The truth is you're not looking to generate traffic as a coach. Traffic's already there. We're looking to identify where traffic is at, who is has a problem that we can serve, and we're simply looking to step in front of that traffic and then have a sign up that says, hey, I can help you with this problem that you have. So we really want to make sure that we understand specifically who it is that we are wanting to serve, where they're at in their journey, and how we can meet them, get their attention, and start helping them as a life coach. Before I go into specifically how you can identify, right, who it is that you're wanting to help and serve as a life coach, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so now we know specifically what the problem is, and you might be sitting here like, oh my gosh, I never even knew it. And maybe I don't know who it is that I'm wanting to serve, or maybe I haven't been getting the attention or the traffic or the people, right? The amount of people's eyeballs looking at me when I'm promoting, right, my offer or my solution to the marketplace. So you're now sitting here like, okay, let's reevaluate who it is that I want to, serve in the marketplace and the who it is that you're wanting to help. So let's go through specifically how we identify, right, the who it is that we are wanting to help and identify them. We're going to go through a couple of exercises here to do that. So the first one's going to be about specifically identifying, right, your perfect profitable niche. We have many videos here on our channel that really break this down into a grave detail, and we also have a full workshop that we did here live on YouTube a couple months back. Make sure to go back and dive deep into being able to not only pick your perfect profitable niche, but also start creating the messages that you can create that is going to start getting eyeballs and traffic looking your way to start wanting to get your help as a life coach. All right, so let's go into the first thing when we're looking at picking your profitable niche. And yes, we talked about those 3 core markets at the beginning of this video, but we want to make sure that we're also identifying a specific niche. We want to remember that generalists get slaughtered in the marketplace, and it's the specialists that get paid. And we want to be a specialist in the marketplace. We don't want to be a jack of all trades. We want to be the person to go to for that solution when they need it. So what we want to make sure that we're doing here is that we, identify a sub-market or group of people inside that niche, and then what we want to do is we're even going to take it another level down. And then what we are going to do is after we identify that group of people, we are then going to take it down another level to the problem that group of people has, and that is going to help us identify that specific niche at this specific time, right, that people have, so we can pick a perfect profitable niche for our life coaching business practice and for services that we can offer as a life coach. Before I go into this next piece, I want to ask you, what is your niche and who is it that you're wanting to serve, and what is the problem that you solve? Let me know in those comments down there. All right, so the next step that we want to make sure that we identify is going to be the desires, right, that these people have that are looking for your help, or need your help with the solution that you have. And there's 2 specific desires that we want to look for, but there's also going to be 3 specific questions that we want to make sure that we ask. The first question that we want to make sure that we ask is, if I could just blank. You want to fill out that blank piece. By filling out that blank piece, this is going to help you gain the knowledge that you need, right, to answer and find out the first desire that you're wanting to identify from the prospects and the people that need your help. And this is going to be the surface desire, right? The surface desire is going to be what they see and what they know they can get to that is going to help them get to that next desire that you need to identify, which is going to be their core desire. So for example, right, I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K, and the 100K that I'm helping them make is their surface desire. That 100K might help them, right, with spend more time with their family, quit their 9-to-5, whatever it might be, but that thing that it's helping them do, that's their core desire that the surface desire is helping them obtain. So by understanding specifically, right, what it is that our prospects and the people who need our help are wanting, this is going to help us later on down the road with communicating with them through the messaging and through the content that is going to drive them to us, drive more traffic to us, and ultimately get more people raising their hand, asking us, right, for our help. All right, so let's talk about this last piece, and the specific last piece is what we classify as your perfect client avatar. And your perfect client avatar is really, really important because we're taking, right, all of these like notes and all of these things that we're writing down, right, around, right, we're taking all these notes and all these things we're writing down around, right, our specific niche and our specific person. Now what we want to do is we want to make this person alive. We want to start doing some magic. And what we do to create this magic is we start drawing out this perfect client avatar. We want to know what they look like. We want to know, what are they doing? Where are they at in their life right now? And specifically, what is going on and where are they at in their specific journey? Now, we want to give this avatar a name. We want to draw it out on a piece of paper, and we want to have this out, and we want to look at this every single day. This is important because understanding exactly who it is that we're wanting to help and giving that person or that thing a face, right, is going to make this more real, and it is going to help you subconsciously start attracting more of that person that you draw out in your perfect avatar to you a lot quicker and a lot more abundantly. Are you looking to start winning faster as a life coach on your way to your first or your next 100K? Well, then I just got done doing a free report where I just dug through all of the life coaching marketplace and I found the 10 hottest niches in, life coaching right now. Now, what you're going to identify in this free report is going to be a full report, right, that goes through not only what these coaching niches are, but it's going to go through with you exactly how you can use and leverage these coaching niches in your life coaching business today so that you can start getting more eyeballs on you and also start getting more traffic online coming to look for you so they can start getting your help with your life coaching business and as a life coach starting today. So make sure to click that link down there below in the description and grab your 10 winningest life coaching niches right now and grab this free report in that description. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today and I hope you choose to win by going down there in that description and claiming your free report of the 10 winningest life coaching niches in the marketplace today. We will see you right in the next video.